Alright. Hey guys, Gaming Guru here, and I saw that on the straw poll that I made for the Discord server, there's only one vote, and it was for RPG Maker XP. So, figured that even though I said popular demand, and there's really only one of you that voted, which means that technically this would be popular demand, I'd satisfy you on that one. And I know this says Project 6. I do have like 5 of them that are Project, and then we're Project 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But I don't have a title that I want to use. Also, I am kind of in the dark. Oh, hit the wrong key. The room I'm in is literally dark, so there will be a few seconds where I actually have to look down, move my keyboard a bit so I can see everything, because the camera that I'm using is taking up all of the desk room. So, can't really do that. Unless I were to find something to rest this on, and that'd be in the light. Because I literally had to turn all of the lights off just so the camera wasn't blurry. So yeah. When I saw that, I figured that this would be popular demand, and I only now realize I still don't have an idea as to what I'd be creating for you guys. And it's not really a tutorial because I don't even know enough about this system to make a tutorial, so I guess we'll just call this The Hell of It. Obviously this isn't going to be what I'm going to leave the game title. If I ever do decide to keep this, I'm just making that the title for now, because I'm not even sure what I'm doing with this. So, yeah. So, what I always do, well actually, hold up, let me make a new map. Actually no. Hold up, I'm gonna map properties, change this map name. So we'll call this title, no, we'll call this one name, because this will be where you get your name and all that. And then here we shall call these, I don't even have an idea yet, so let's see. And I don't think I'm going to cut any of this out because, I don't know, I feel like it'd be funnier for you guys if I just left everything in. Oh, now it has no name. Oh well, I'll be able to find it. Oh, there's some cool looking quote-unquote mannequins I could use. I don't know if I want to use this one. I know I'm kind of being a bit unpredictable, but I did not prepare for this ahead of time. So let's port. Port isn't too bad. I still don't have a story of that is one freaky looking bear. Yeah, I still don't have an idea as to what I'm doing. So anyways, I'm going to go back in here like I was originally going to. Click here, do a new event, and we'll do auto run, apply. Hitting apply will just make sure that whatever I change stays that way, so that I don't have to worry about it. So first, I'm just going to see what I have to work with, because I'll admit it has been a little while. So I'm going to do changing all of these to -125 so that it is a black screen, and we'll have it fade like that for 1 frame. And then we'll do show text. Now there was a cool thing you could do where you do either, I think it was slash, either capital C or lowercase c. I'm going to do lowercase for now. And then in these, whoops, wrong ones, these square brackets, you can put a number, and then anything you type after that will change color depending upon what you have the number. So, for an example, I'm actually going to do this, and then hit apply, and then I have to see what number that, yeah, I'll save it. I have to see what that changed to number 2. Okay, so I think I messed up. I think it was supposed to be a backslash, and I put a forward slash. Or if that's a forward slash, and I was supposed to put a backslash. Either way, I did it wrong, and I know that. So I think, no, that's not what I wanted to do. Edit, and then we're gonna move over to this slash, because I think that's where I messed up. And do a backslash, maybe? Maybe it was supposed to be a capital C, I'm not sure. This will be proof that I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. Yeah, it was a backslash, and then 1, we'll change it to blue. I think not having done it at all will allow it to be white, but I don't want blue. Yep, this is how I shall be doing this, because I've not enough skill with, whoops, wrong one. I have not enough skill. I think there's a way that you can preview this, but I don't know. If only I had like a list of all the different commands. So 2, we'll change it to this like peachish red color, which isn't too bad, but I don't think it's to my liking. Yep, this is I'm not prepared for this, but we're gonna do it anyways. And I think I'm gonna get like an error recording and then just edit it down. Okay, let's see what this does. Okay, so 3 is green. I'm also going to real quick go to systems. Title. Okay, title. I shall change it from being slow 7 to none. Hit OK. So now, whenever the title pops up, I don't have to hear music every single time. I think I saved. Yeah, I saved. Okay. So now you don't have to hear da 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 da, because that is just not what I want to listen to. So I want to see what 4 looks like, and then I may change it back to. I think I might like 4. I don't know. You guys will also have to tell me if you know any of the commands that you can do, like the. Oh, I don't like 4. If you know. Yeah. You just have to let me know if you know any like key commands, because I did not look up anything before starting this, as you can obviously tell. I'm gonna change this 4 to a 5 just to see. Yep, this is gonna be it for a little while. I think I'll just change it to 5 and then go with one of the ones that I've done so far. I really don't like 5. I'll change it to 2, I guess, so that we don't just witness me sitting here the entire freaking time, going back and changing this over and over again. Okay. I again can't see the keyboard. I think it would help if I were to type a whole lot more, because then I'd be able to like memorize which key is where without actually having to look at it. But that is not the case. So I am sorry for that one. So hello young one. I put a space. Yeah. I don't know, or I know that none of you will see this, but I actually have to turn my head to look from the screen to the keyboard. So, hello young one. What is your name? Yep. And then we'll do there's input number. I thought there was a name input. Yeah, here it is, name input. Make it so that you can only have a name that's 9 characters long. And hit OK. Actually, before I continue, I'm going to go back into the database real quick. Go to actors, and I'm just going to change this down to 1 so that there's only 1. Get rid of the name. Actually, no. Because there'll be like a suggested name that you can change. So I'm going to set it to be... I don't know. What's a good name? Because I can't think of one, I shall just put my name. So, the suggested name is Zach. Gonna remove all of these items so that they have nothing on them. And then hit apply. Go to system. Yep, okay. So now, so now you'll have a, let's see, name input, and then do show text. So it's \C, and then in square brackets, I guess we could do 3, like their text is green. Actually no, we'll just leave the player's text white. But we will do, you tell the strange voice that your name is, and then down here we will do \n, and then in square brackets 1. So that'll be name of player 1, if that makes sense. And then we'll put a period right after that. Okay, and then hit apply. Okay, and then we will go into the game. So new game. Hello young one, what is your name? And then I'm going to be okay with leaving it as Zach. You tell the strange voice that your name is Zach. And then because it's set to auto run, it'll just run again and again and again. So now we can add more to it. We'll just do show text. See, I set them to 2, I think. I can't remember, but okay. And then do \n1. Yeah, I know I typed that weird because I could do open square bracket 1 close square bracket, but I just typed this way for some reason. It works better with my brain. But do okay, so it'd be okay whatever the player name is, so in this case it's okay Zach. Actually we'll do your preferred. I don't even know if I spelled it. Nope, I didn't even come close to spelling that right. Preferred pronoun. What is your preferred pronoun? Which, if you can't guess, I'm just saying what is your gender without actually saying what is your gender. I just dropped my keyboard and then pushed random keys. That's fun, and I'm not going to be cutting that out, which will make it even funnier for you guys. You could probably make some kind of drop the key meme, or drop the KB, which is drop keyboard. Okay, so what is preferred pronoun? And pretty much, I'm sure someone, if they were to play this or find and play this game, would be like, oh, what if I'm not a boy or a girl? Which I'm going to help you guys with that, because there is a show options. We will do 3 options. Do boy, and then, okay, so we got boy, girl, and the 3rd option will be I think I'll put prefer not to say. So like, if you don't want to be a boy or a girl when you play the game, you can just hit this and then you won't be either, and you'll just be labeled as they or them. Okay. So, I'm trying to think if there's a way that I can set variables. Actually, for now, I'm going to leave this the way it is because I want to design a character that, when you see it, won't really be a boy or a girl, but I just wanted to design a character. So what I do is go and find accessories, and go to paint. Yeah, this will be as about exciting as it gets. So I'm going to temporarily close this one, and then go to database. Actually, no. Yeah, go to database. No, that's not right. Go to materials, and then find the graphics characters, because these will be sprites, but they're called characters here. And then I'm just going to find a random one and just see what it looks like. And if I find one that I think I want to use, I will edit the character. What is this one? I might use, yeah, I use this one. So we're going to do export. Oh. Yep, this is tons of folders. We're just going to do back. We're going to do RPG. Yep, here's all my folders. Go to graphics. And then we're going to make a new folder. New folder. And I'm going to title it custom. So everything that I have in there will be custom. And then I'll put it in there. And then I will close this, and then go in here, do file, open, go back, go in here, TheHellOfIt, graphics, where did custom go? There it is. It's alphabetized, so I get lost. And then do that. And then I always zoom it in. Whoa. Okay. So, here's a character that, if you were to see it at first, you'd think, oh, it's a boy. Or some would be like, no, it's a girl with really short hair. Or me, how I'm going to use it and say, it's neither. Actually, I just remembered, I had actually made a character graphic already using this exact character. So what I'm going to do is go to materials, go to import, go back, and then I think I used it in timeline? I gotta remember. Visiting characters, no. I know I did it before. I don't remember where I put it though. Okay, maybe it wasn't in this game. Was it in test? I think it would help if I would actually have a good memory. I don't remember. Was it just in game? I think it was in here. Yep, custom graphics. I'm not looking at these. Okay, so I want to do these two. And then we'll do open. Alright. This is with the hood down, with the hood up, and then we will do close. And then go in here, go to actors, take this one, and we will for now do hood down. And then we'll change the battle graphic to none, because that's the graphic that you'd see whenever you're in battle, and I'm not even going to be in battle. Well, there might be a battle system, but for now that's not going to be the case. that I have to worry about. And then I'm going to, for now, do this. Oops, hit the wrong button again. God damn it. Okay. It's the problem with me trying to type without looking. It doesn't go over well. Okay, I'm just going to temporarily just click all of these off. These are just items that can be equipped as this class. So you're just going to do all of that and then do apply. Wait. Delete. 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 And then hit OK. And then I'm not even going to worry about anything else in here. So close that out. And then we're going to do, come back in here. I don't remember how to make variables. Insert. I'm going to have to see if there's a way I can go about making variables. Because I don't know if you can. No, I don't think there's a way that you can make variables. Actually, I don't even know what's in change perimeter. No, that's not something I can do. Okay, so I'm gonna do. Yeah, I don't think there is a way you can go in and set variables. Huh. Okay, guys. What I'm going to do is, real quick, I'm going to pause the video, and then I am going to see if I can find a way to set variables in RPG Maker, because I'm going to need a variable for this. Alright, hey guys, I'm back. So I decided that, or when I was looking it up, I decided that I'm not really going to get into the whole gender thing, because that's just not really something I need to deal with. So yeah. So, I did find out how to make variables in that. It's literally right here, and I didn't see it. Yeah. Also, you can go in here. These three will work with these to allow you to make switches, variables, and self-switch. Which, funnily enough, blind enough to not have seen that, but when I was thinking, or when I looked it up, I was like, yeah, I'm not even going to do the whole gender thing, because that's just going to become a topic that's going to get some hate either towards me or whatever. So, gender's not going to be an issue I'm touching, just name. So, it'll say, hello young one, what is your name? You type out some random name, and then it says, you tell the strange voice that your name is, and then whatever you decide to set the name input to. And then he will, a little voice, because I haven't even decided what I'm going to do with this. I'm just kind of just making stuff up at this point. So I see, are you sure? Again, spelling helps. That is your name. Okay, and then there, and then I'm actually going to come back up here to insert, and then I'll do label, and label this to name. Okay, so now there's a name label there. Now what most people won't know is that the label is actually a good thing you can do. So I'm going to do show options. Okay, and then if it is the name, then it'll continue. But if it's not the name, what we're going to do is insert, jump to label, and then I'm going to type in name again the exact same way I did before. So now it's set up that if you click no, it'll jump back up to here so that you can input a new name. And I'll probably end up showing you that. But now what I'm going to do is to make sure that this branch, or actually, is there a way to break loop? No. Okay, so what I'm going to do is jump to label and just type fine. Almost hit OK for fin. So now this will jump to the label of fine. Now what I'm going to do is come down here and then do label and label it fine. So now if you were to hit no, it'll jump back up here, and if you were to hit yes, it would jump down here. So I'm just going to put, so that you guys can see that, I'm going to do alrighty then. Okay, so now if you see this already then in the weird orangish red color, then it works perfectly fine. So I'm going to go up here, hit yes, and then we're going to do enter to go through there. Hello, young one, what is your name? And we're going to just do this, and then you tell the strange voice that your name is Zach. Are you I see. Are you sure that is your name? So we're going to do no. And it brings us back. And then we're going to do yes. Alrighty then. So I know that it all works perfectly fine, which is good. So now I'm going to go back in here. I actually want to do something real quick. So as you saw right before it started, there was a small instance where, actually I'm not going to do it here. There was a small instance where the character image flashed on the screen. So a way we can fix that is if I go in here and then change this to none for now. Now, if we were to play this, which I'm not going to, I almost did, but we're not going to, the character, although he will appear here like he would have anyways, he won't just flash in and out like he did when we first went through. So that'll fix that, and then what we can do is do, because it's still a tinted screen where everything is just completely black, what we can do is after it's tinted, we can then go to, there was a way that you could set the character graphic, or actor graphic. We're going to do yes, change the graphic to hood down, and then, so having it blank and then changing it after you tint the screen will keep your character from flashing in and out, which isn't the greatest way to fix it, but it's just something. Like, for instance, I'll show you now, because I don't see why not. So, no, he still flashes in and out. Ooh, I know what we could do. We could do a wait, because there are wait functions. So we can go in here and do, where is it? I think it's in the first one. Yeah, wait, and we'll do wait for 1 frame. So it'll take 1 frame to do this as we're waiting for 1 frame, and then the character will appear, but because the screen's all tinted, this won't be visual, and then it'll start going through all of this, which will still be visible. Also, I want to change something real quick, so we're going to do insert, text options. We're going to hide the window and put it in the middle. Okay, so now if I were to run this, hopefully the whole character flashing thing will stop. But yeah, see, it didn't flash. So, hello young one, what is your name? I'm going to do Zach. Yep, already done. And then it'll just keep going through. So that's that. And then I'm going to check the time real quick. Oh, we haven't even been recording for that long. Well, this second part of it that I'm going to add into the first one. So, yeah. So we got all this. And I think for now I'll leave it that way. But now we have to go in here, and guess what? Now it's the moment you've all been waiting for, where we actually have to go in and make the level, or not the level, the map. So, trying to think of how I can do this. I guess I could do this, just fill it, and then in the center we could place this one. I kind of don't like I don't like the way that that looks, so I'm actually going to I don't even, like I said, I don't even have an idea as to what I'm doing. So we will do what's inner body? I haven't seen that yet. Oh, goodness. So it's made to look like the inside of a body, which I guess if you were to make a story where one of the sections of it you have to fight a monster from inside the monster, that'd be useful, but I'm not doing that, so I don't really need to worry about that. Actually, I think I'm going to real quick just do that so that it doesn't change this, it just changes all of this. So we're gonna do I don't really like dark space. I guess we'll do ruins. I could see ruins, I guess. So we're gonna do this. No. I guess we could do that. And then no, I like this one. Okay. So now we could just put a corner of it here, and it'll extend to about here, go down to about here, and then just line it up. Alright, and then we can connect it like so, all around, so that it's a rectangle. And I know this would probably look cooler if I were to use custom tile sets too, but the thing about that is I would have to go in and make those, which I don't have experience with yet, so we're not doing that. Also, I managed to make okay, so this will be the starting area, so I'll set it about, no, it's not even, so I can't just set it in the middle, unless I do this, move it over, and then select this and put it like that. Yeah, now I can do it. Okay. So I'm back to 1. Okay, so now click here, go to this little cube, because this is the event, third layer, second layer, and first layer. So go to edit event, and then for now we will do transfer player. So we want to transfer them to about middle, so right here. Okay, and then have them facing down. We won't really need a fade. And then after they get there, we're going to have it wait 1 frame. And then do the tint, and we're going to see what happens if we set it to 0, because I've never seen what happens if you set that to 0. So if we do new game, oh young one, what is your name? Yep, alrighty then. And it's kind of hasty, so what I'm going to do is, so I don't have to witness. Actually, no, because I need to go back through this. So I'm going to do this, edit. I'm going to take the time, have it go about 2. That way it isn't just cutting straight to color, and it's slowly fading its way in. So we're going to do new game. Yeah, that works. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is do escape, and then save. Okay, so now if I do end game, go to the title, and then hit continue, I will now have a save file that I can operate off of. So that's good. And then I can just walk around and whatever. So that's cool. So we got a start to something. I'm also going to come in here and after this, so about the same time that we're giving the character its sprite, we're going to do insert, then go all the way over here, call save screen. No, not that one. Because what that'll do is that will automatically save the game right then and there, and I don't want that. Script, return to title screen, game over, call menu screen. Where is it? There's a way that you could go in and make it so that they can't save like I just did, where you had to find a certain thing to be able to change. I don't remember where it's at. I think it might have been in the first one. Yeah, I think it might have been in here. So change encounter. Okay, so this will disable the saving ability. So now if I go back in, and now I don't have to witness all of that again. So go to continue. Okay, and then nope, I can still, oh, I know what I did wrong. I can still save because I didn't go through all of this, which is where it changes if you can save. Yep, now I can't save. Okay. And then I'm just going to shut down because it'll close that. And then what I'm going to do is, so that you don't have to witness all of that again, after it changes all of that, I'm going to go to the third one and then call save screen. So it'll cause the game to save as soon as you get there, so that you don't have to go through like name process and all that. Actually, no. I'm going to do cut. I'm going to see if there's anything else that I'd like to change real quick. Maybe in the first one. So, let's see. I'm going to go back in here and then set it to the way it was. Actually, I'm pretty sure it was on the bottom, but I don't know. Real quick to test to see if which one it was on, I'm gonna just type the word hi, because this will allow me to know which one it's set to. So I'm gonna do this, and then after this, I think this is when I'm going to. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go back through here. Is when I shall end the video. So is this your name? Yes. Already then. Hi. Again, didn't do what I wanted. Oh no, I know what it's doing. Because, actually no, I have no idea what the hell it's doing. I'm gonna change. And I'm just gonna save that. Okay. And then I can retitle this. So map, I'm gonna call it. I just realized I was holding Z, so I'm gonna call it. I'm just gonna call it cave. Not sure why. Oh, I guess I can capitalize it. So for now, I'm just gonna call it cave. There's no actual story behind. Ow. Just yeah, the screen will have shaken for you guys. I'm sorry. Also, I hurt my hand. But yeah, I'm gonna just real quick edit this just a little bit. So we're just going to extend it out. Actually, no, I'll put it there. Alright. Doop, and then where'd it go? What was this one? So there's a starting area, or starting platform, and then what I can do is select all of this, go to the second layer, and I start about there. And only now realize how like Undertale that looks. Yeah, did not try for that, but we're gonna just leave it for now. Oh wait, actually no, I can also add this right there. Go back to here, and then put right here. Do yeah. Oh, there's no animation, so that's not needed. So we're gonna do edit. I don't know what I gave me the option to paste. So you notice a weirdly, I accidentally hit both the K and the L at the same time. Weirdly placed well. Show options, we're going to do climb down and stay. And stay away. So for climb down, I'm going to leave it alone for now. And then for this one, we're going to do a set move route for the player, and then it'll be turn left and then move. These don't affect me because I am the player, so move one step forward. So now I'm going to do apply, then I'm going to do copy and paste it there. So now, if this loads, I can do continue, file 1, also I'm not sure why this is not working. This one here. Maybe for now just get rid of it and then do insert. I'll figure it out, but maybe change window screen. No, because that's still the same. What's this? No, because that'll make it so I can't access the menu. I think I'm just gonna get rid of this. So we're gonna do cut. Oh no, I know what I did wrong. I think I had it or I had it after that, which would have made it completely useless. Yeah, I think I had it after the high. So I'm going to real quick see if that helped, and if it did, then I'm going to end the video there. So we're going to do continue new game. Hi. Okay, so that fixed it. And I can also get rid of this high at the beginning or at the very end. Okay, so now we have a fully functioning little name section, and I set most of this up, I'm actually going to do, if you click here, you can do shift. We're going to do shift down. We're going to do that again, but we'll do it 2. Okay, and then I'm going to do select all of this, go to the second layer, and I'm going to set it this tree here. And no, I'm going to set one here, one here, and then one here. So now it looks like there's a bit of dead trees. Also, I'm going to go select this one, go up here, and clear all that. And then I'm going to do shift up 1. Okay guys, well that'll be the end of the video, and hope you guys enjoyed.